so point your cameras up to the sky.
Oh. Wrap it ready, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
push it. Hold on, friend. Right, hold on, what did it? Right there. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, video. Not yet.
Yes.
No. Hold on, I gotta delete something for her to do it.
Of course.
My photos. To look through your photos, swipe your stylus across the screen. To delete a photo, tap the corner of the photo, then touch the red button.
Mommy, I see it. I'm ready.
Tap the corner of the photo, then touch the red delete button.
I'm ready.
Are you sure you want to delete?
I'm ready to see it.
Right, hold on.
Where are you going to see it? Mommy?
What?
Where are you going to see it?
Are you sure you want to delete?
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Video.
Alright, oh.
You're out of memory.
This,
Visit My Stuff to delete.
DD, come on!
I'm gonna have to go through Malaya's that thing through their thing and delete them.
Touch here.
Alright, here, use this. Here, you can do this. Alright, hold on. Don't push that button yet, okay? You're gonna hold when Dad gets ready to light it. You're gonna
Yes!
hold it way up to the sky like that.